Hey everyone, this is Scott Smith with CS Cleaning Services, and I'm in a shower right now of a client. So we've already cleaned all the tiling grout, and we're working on some glass block that has some mineral buildup, and I want to show you guys the difference here. Okay, so here's one I did. You can see it's nice and smooth, and then down here you can see all this mineral buildup on here. We're using a special hard water removing product, and it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. Put the product on and you work it in. And what this does, this is removes that mineral deposit that's on the glass. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. And as you can see, it looks fantastic. Clean like the other ones.